This is a tutorial on how to use the Elementor navigation section. So if you ever use Elementor, you'll know that you can hover over certain areas and you'll be able to edit from there. You can remove or edit images from just hovering, but sometimes you can't access those areas, or there might be some double ups or some old templates that are slightly confusing. So you can go and use a navigation section. So that's found down here, the second on the left, next to settings, you've got navigator. So up here you can see that this is the navigation section. So what I'll do is I'll click around up here. You can see there's different areas. When you click there, it jumps down to there. So that's a great feature. And when you toggle, you can toggle through the different sections. So you can even pick up a column and start working from there, heading, and start working in there. There's also a great feature that if you didn't like, say, for example, I don't like the look of this heading, and I'd like to see what it looks like without, you can actually just hide it and add it back in. So it's another great feature. If you're wanting to make this a bit more organized, you can see here up here section that's not been had a name yet. If you double click on the actual name, you can change that to something. You can see there's the title. It says our company. So you can add that and just click away, and then that renames it. Got some options here where you can have everything that opens just by clicking the top one, and of course you can just press the cross and turn it off. And that's how you use the navigator in Elementor.